Before we start, hit like and subscribe so you never miss a quick Microsoft Teams. In this video, I'll show you how to export your chat history in Microsoft Teams using Microsoft's privacy tools. Perfect for archiving, compliance, or personal reference. First, open your browser and go to privacy.teamslive.com/uv/data export. On the page, check the box next to chat history so you're only exporting your conversations. Next, click Submit Request. Microsoft will now prepare your file. This may take a while if you have a lot of chats, so be patient. When it's ready, you'll see a Continue button. Click it to confirm. Finally, download your chat history and save it somewhere secure. That's it. You've successfully exported your Teams chats.